To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
Asset managers are warning that proposals to tighten new liquidity requirements and pricing methods for U.S. mutual funds will drive away investors, reduce choice, and hasten the demise of an investment vehicle that underpins American retirement savings. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission first proposed last year that funds be required to hold enough highly liquid securities to cope with losing 10% of their assets in a day and to use a method called swing pricing. The agency said market ructions at the start of the COVID-19 pandemic showed that tougher rules were needed to protect buy and hold investors from losses when other traders flood into or out of a particular fund. Malaysia's full-year gross domestic product growth is expected to average around 4% in 2023, supported by strong private consumption, according to AHAM Capital Asset Management. However, economic momentum may start to dwindle in 2024 amid a recalibration in spending patterns among consumers due to subsidy rationalization. An increase in the sales and services tax rate to 8% could exert further pressure on spending as consumers refrain from high-value purchases, it said in a report. Fund managers are generally positive about the outlook for Asian economies and financial markets amid signs pointing to stability in global economic growth, falling inflationary pressures, a U.S. economic soft landing, and a more positive outlook for China. An Investment Management Association of Singapore survey of 79 asset managers from 68 investment houses found that these professionals were also cheered by slowing inflation and the prospect of at least 3 rate cuts by the U.S. Federal Reserve. South Korea's mutual fund assets grew 12.2% in the first 9 months of 2023 as net inflows increased and investors moved into bond funds. Figures compiled by Morningstar Inc. for Asia Asset Management show that Korea-domiciled active funds and exchange-traded funds had $126.84 billion of combined assets as of September 2023, up from $113.03 billion in December 2022. The gain helped to trim their 28% loss in the same period of 2022 when the Korean stock market suffered its worst performance since the 2008 global financial crisis as global central banks hiked interest rates to fight inflation. The latest e-Zine is now available for download at FIMM's official website. Download your copy today to keep up to date with what's going on in the industry.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.